Hi everyone, it's me Jojo, and today's video takes you behind the scenes at Cirque du Soleil at the Royal Albert Hall. Now 3 years ago, Cirque du Soleil asked me to be involved with the incredible performance and come up with some make-uppy looks and perhaps go backstage and interview some of the cast and learn about how the production is put together. And for me, I'm not just in love with the beauty aspect, I'm in love with the costuming and the way that they've created a show from these kind of wacky ideas that are just so masterful in not just the performance but all the teams that work together. So we were backstage and the cast have to follow a very strict overall kind of a look towards the stage performance and the concept of that particular show, because it changes all the time. And this was very Italian inspired, very Renaissance, and it had that sort of Baroque aspect, and it just was such a wonderful experience. And the gorgeous singer here showed me the process of applying the base, and then I went in and I gave some insight and some tips about how to create stage makeup that would show and last. And I remember we had this mini discussion about how I used to do the powders, which was one of the inspirations behind one of the looks I did recently, where I showed you how to start off with a powder foundation and put on the liquid on top, because it kind of works as a sandwich and oil absorbs and lasts longer and stays more true under bright lights. So it was fantastic really to document this process and to be involved a little bit. It was a shame I didn't get to film too much of myself in this process because we were kind of going back and forth, but it was very amazing. And to chat about her incredible life and how gorgeous does she look, my goodness. So Cirque du Soleil is such an amazing process to learn about because they have so many different countries involved. All the cast are from all over the world. All of the incredible costume department showed me their amazing workshops. And here's me in the lower levels of the hall. So it was just such an experience because I've been to so many shows and performances there, but never to be downstairs. And my God, it was just, we got to see the acrobats perform at the beginning. They were doing their rehearsals, and look how different it looks when you're like walking around the stage. It felt very surreal, but it was very inspiring to me because I kept thinking, I love the makeup, I love the fashion, I love the costumes, but I really like the concept creation side of it. So coming up with an idea and then thinking, how can we stage this? And it really opened my eyes to what I would like to do next. I'd love to come up with an idea for a show and take the characters that I've designed and really make them into something different. So here's me just touching up my own makeup as I was waiting for my friend to see the performance, and look at the staging. My God, it takes an army of creative people to do this, and for it to be such a genius show, I mean, what a dream job is it to create. So I hope you love that one, and check tomorrow for more videos of my mad adventures.